Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Lightroom for free. Step 1. Go to the link down below in the description. It will take you directly to Adobe Creative Cloud Free sign-up page. You will see an option that says Start Free Trial. Click on that. You will see 3 options here: Individual, Business, and Student Teachers. Choose the Business option, which gives you a 14-day free trial, and then click on Continue. Enter your email address, and then click Continue. Fill out the required information with your card details, but don't worry. Adobe will not charge you anything until the free trial ends. As you can see, the fee is $0. Once the 14-day free trial is over, we will cancel our subscription. Once you have completed the free purchase, you will see a screen that says the free trial has started. Step 2. Open a new tab on your browser and type Adobe Creative Cloud App Download. Click on the second link and click Download Creative Cloud. Once the app is downloaded, install the app and open it. Sign into the app with your email address that you have previously used to create your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Once done, create a password. Remember, the password must meet all the requirements mentioned, and don't include any spaces in your password. Once you are signed into the app, you will see a section that says Apps. Click on that to see a collection of all Adobe software. Look for Lightroom. You will see the Adobe Lightroom app. Install the file and you can now use Adobe Lightroom for free for the next 14 days. If you found the video informative, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like this video and leave a comment below. If you want to learn how to cancel Creative Cloud subscription after the free trial period ends, click on the video at the top right-hand side of your screen.